Hey, another video here. We left off another thing, and I'm back with an adventure. So we're gonna yeah. The limit of my videos is 10 minutes, and that's the only time I have. So then I try to do my best to play with you. And oh god, this is a bad idea. Run. Okay, and so then I try my best. Let's rescue Snowball first. You're my hero, yeah. I don't care. I saw another key right here, so let's get that. Then this one. What's it called? Oliver. Didn't get to see it. And then we're gonna trap these guys because I only have one hair. Okay, got it. See me's. Come get me's. Okay. Then we're gonna actually go over here because I saw two more. This one here. And let's go. Okay, what's this last one? Can't click it either. Okay. And what we're gonna do is go back over here all the way to get that last one. Then we completed the adventure. But I think that is too short. So we're gonna do the second adventure. Or not. We're just gonna keep on going. Try to make it something. I don't know. And so yeah. Let's rescue this last bunny, get our prize, and talk to Isa again. Can I... Wait. You need a key to unlock my cage. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go one away. Okay, there we go. Thank you for saving me. You're welcome. Let's talk to Isa now. What's up, Isa? Great job. You defeated the phantoms and saved all the bunnies. Please accept this gift and return through the adventure portal. Let's get that one. Oh, I already got that one. I could probably sell it for more money. Okay. Oh yeah, remember this? The rooster poster. I'm gonna put it right there. 2017. Oops, I was gonna sell that. So that and that. This is not my snow den. Well, have I even showed you my snow den? This is my snow den. Really, really snowy. And then we're actually gonna put this right there. Okay. There we go. And then alright. Then we're gonna see what the party is. Jam session. Bum, bum, bum. Bum.
Wait for the prize.
Ooh, guitars. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Yeah, I can't. It's too laggy. So let's try to find a fun restaurant, I guess. The girl who gave you this spike too. Says you can help me and they're speaking too fast. I'm gonna dance. Woo! Okay, let's fly like a helicopter. So I'm actually gonna leave it here. Okay, and see you guys later.